The third thing that is really, really cool about Vedic astrology is these guys are going crazy. You see what they're
They're saying that something's wrong with your vocals.
Huh?
They're saying something's wrong with your vocals. It's
What? What about the sound? Huh? Chipmunks?
Chipmunks.
Chipmunks.
Oh, you have it on chipmunk mode.
Oh.
When you turn on human mode.
Yeah. Okay, okay. I'm gonna have to stop it and start it again.
It's sounding like a chipmunk.
Alvin! Let's see. Okay. How's that? Is that more like it? Huh? Can anybody hear? Hello? Perfect. Okay, good. Now we'll continue. So the other thing that's different about Vedic astrology from Western astrology is dashas. The dashas are planetary periods. Planetary periods are time in your life when a particular planet is dominant in your chart. So during that time, it's like whatever's happening with that planet will just run the whole chart. It's like that planet becomes the main force in the whole chart. So there are different dasha systems for different purposes in Vedic astrology. Some of them are good for making material predictions. Some of them are better for spiritual things. Some show what's going to happen with your family. Others show about your career, finances, and stuff like that. There are many different dasha systems. I think there's something like 22 or 27 different dasha systems. And this is unique to Vedic astrology. It's not in Western astrology at all. So, where does Vedic astrology come from? Well, the first work on Vedic astrology is written by the sage Parashara. Parashara is the father of Vyasadeva. And Vyasadeva, of course, is the compiler of the Vedas. He took all the wisdom that was extant in human society at that time, which came down from divine sources, and he compiled it into the 4 Vedas, the 108 Upanishads, the 18 Puranas, Mahabharata, Ramayana, the Tantras, and so many other literatures. And these literatures are incredibly voluminous. But before the Vedas were written down, Parashara wrote his major work, which is called Brihat Parashara Hora Shastra. Or BPHS. Brihat Parashara Hora Shastra is the main textbook of Vedic astrology. It's about 6,000 years old. So it's the first work of astrology of any kind in the whole world. And Brihat Parashara Hora Shastra is completely independent. It contains everything you need to know to do complete astrology chart and predictions and analysis and the whole. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.